Hello children, in today's EVS class we are going to learn about the movements of the earth. All the celestial bodies in the universe are moving constantly. What are the celestial bodies? They are huge heavenly bodies like the sun, moon, stars and the planets. They rotate and revolve. In today's class, we are going to learn what is rotation and revolution. Children, look at these pictures of the ball and the coin. You also can take a ball and coin and spin in the similar way. And you have to note down your observations. So children, what did you observe? I hope you have observed that both the objects are spinning on an imaginary line. This imaginary line around which an object rotates is called the axis. Similarly, our earth also spins on its own axis and this movement is called rotation as shown in the picture. The earth spins all the time on its axis from west to east. This movement is called rotation. The earth completes one rotation on its axis every 24 hours. This duration is called a solar day. The rotation causes the sun to appear to rise in the east and set in the west. You can observe that half of the earth seems to be brighter and other half seems to be the darker. Here I want to tell you an interesting fact. For the parts of the earth that faces the sun, it is daytime. And for the parts that do not face the sun, it's nighttime. Children, before going further, I want you to do one activity at your house but very safely. You have to just stand at one place with both your feet on the ground and spin yourself very slowly. Which type of movement it would be? Yeah, it is rotation. Now, let me tell you about the revolution. For that moment, you will have to make someone stand in between. Just ask one of your friend or parent to stand in the center and you have to go around them. So, here it reminds me of, here we go round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush every early morning. So going around the mulberry bush is revolution. Usually when we go to temples, we go around the idols of God. This is an example of revolution. So the earth has two types of movement, rotation and revolution. So what you have to do is you have to imagine yourself as earth and you are spinning yourself and you have to go around your friend simultaneously. So you will experience the position of the earth better. While the earth rotates around its axis, it also moves around the sun on a fixed elliptical path called the orbit. What is elliptical path? It is oval-shaped path. This movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. It takes 365 and 1/4 days for the earth to complete one revolution. This motion of the earth around the sun is known as the annual motion. The rotation and revolution of the earth around the sun causes different seasons at different places on the earth. When the earth revolves around the sun on its orbit, some regions on the earth are closer towards the sun and some are far away. The regions that are nearer to the sun receive more heat and light. These regions experience the summer season. The regions that are far away from the sun receive less heat and light. These regions experience the winter season. Seasons are of great importance in our lives. They govern what we do, eat, wear, or celebrate. We experience different kinds of seasons throughout the year because the earth is tilted on its axis. In India, there are mainly 5 seasons: spring, winter, monsoon, autumn, and winter.